Hey everybody, it's Mr. Whump from UME Academy. This is Game Review Showdown. Every episode, I play a popular video game, then I make my own game at UME's Creator Club, then I decide which game I like best. Today I'm thrilled to be reviewing Overwatch Halloween Terror 21. Even though it's 5 years old, Overwatch is still one of my favorite multiplayer shooters, and that's mostly due to their excellent seasonal events. Without a doubt, Halloween Terror is my favorite. You get Halloween-themed loot boxes, some cool and spooky Halloween skins, and the fantastic Junkenstein's Revenge co-op brawl. It's a riot getting to experience that classic Overwatch gameplay, but in a horror movie scenario, as you battle against souped-up movie monster versions of your favorite Overwatch characters. This is Overwatch at its best, so I give Halloween Terror 2 thumbs up and a boo. Boo! Even though you knew it was coming, I scared you, didn't I? You know I did, don't lie. Now it's time for me to go into creator mode. I'm going to create my own Halloween game over at UME's Creator Club. I need a player to go trick-or-treating in this spooky neighborhood. I can try that marshmallow guy. No, wait a minute. I want the candy. I'm going to put myself in the game. Look at that handsome guy. Now I need a costume. Unicorn, clown, wizard. Oh, I love the mustache, but no. I got it. Whump. I'm going to throw in some candy spawners and some enemies to try and steal the candy. I got some bats, I got some spiders, and some skeletons. All right, let's go trick-or-treating. Grabbing the candy. Hey, stop eating my candy. Oh no, the skeleton's coming for my candy. Wait a minute, what the? Why is it kissing me? Ew, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, I see, I've got the wrong clip selected in the audio trigger. Here we go. That's better. Grab the candy, Whump. You can do it. Yeah, Whump wins. Now it's showdown time. Which game did I like best? Well, admittedly, I love Overwatch, especially Halloween Terror. It's fun and spooky with lots of cool rewards. But my game had lots of candy, cool enemies, and best of all, Whump. So I pick my game because it was cool and because I made it. You can make your own games over at UME's Creator Club. Come check it out. I can't wait to see what you can make. Like and subscribe, you know the drill. See you next time. Bye! Hey, do you want to make your own Halloween game? Check out the link below. You can sign up for one of UME's Halloween lessons and make your own game. But it won't be as good as mine.